You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Iceland. For more confusing names of famous places in Iceland, Icelandic words too, stay tuned. A waterfall in Iceland. It's fairly easy once you know it looks confusing in the spelling. Seljalandsfoss. Selja, so replace the J with a Y, for example, or an I. Seljalandsfoss. Easy. The waterfall from Icelandic pronunciation, also in English. Seljalandsfoss. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.